I'm ready whenever you are, old man.
Right. G'day, curd nerds. Today we're going to be doing a taste test for Double Gloucester. That's it. You have a little pause. So I put a cut in there. This Double Gloucester I made on the 12th of July in 2017. It was going to be matured for 5 months or 4 months, but it's been nearly 6 months now, and we're ready to crack it open. And with me today as a special guest is my son Adam, all the way from Germany.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you, son. You dag. Alright, so let's get on and cut open the cheese and have a look, shall we?
Is there some kind of intermission here?
No, that's it. We're into it. Ooh, there's a bit of whey. So a bit of moisture in the bag. Oh, it smells very cheesy, very cheddar-y type thing. Hang on, I'll just get rid of that. So as you can see, there's a little bit of whey in the bag. What's the matter? You want that?
Oh, I just wanted to feel like I'm helping.
All right, thanks. Yeah.
It's a bag.
Now I've got cheese all over me.
It smells cheesy, Father.
Does, doesn't it? All right. So let's cut her in half.
Put this down.
Yeah, put that down. That's a good idea. Oh my lord. Alrighty, let's have a look. Ta-da! So, very firm as a this English style cheese should be. What do you think of the smell so far, son?
Extraordinarily cheesy.
Very good. And yes, I should have bought a tea
You
towel
are going
with
to
me.
need to wash those hands.
I'll get one. Hang on.
While he's gone, I assume that I will just drink my Summersby cider, the refreshingest of ciders.
All the
I
way
was not paid to say that.
All the way from the UK. Okay. So, we're back again. So let's cut off, let's do a quarter. Not we're going to eat it all.
Not with that attitude.
Alright. Put that up there. I'll tell you what, perfect. This slices so well, guys and girls. Well, it did until I got to the thin part. Great texture. There we go. So, we cut a slice off. Okay, so let's have a taste of this most amazing Double Gloucester. You can be the guinea pig.
Thank you.
There, Adam. Have fun with that.
Smells lovely.
Oh, it does smell amazing.
Very good, Father.
Mm-hmm. You like that?
It's very good.
What you do with it?
So what's this yellow stuff?
It's cheese. That was really good, guys. It's not really sharp. It's smooth.
Yep.
It's not like a
It's quite soft, actually.
yeah, it is. It's not like an aged cheddar. It's not supposed to be quite like that, but I'll tell you what, this is really nice. Want a bit more?
Oh yeah.
All right. Excuse fingers. Haven't drunk in my cider too.
Your
See if it
Summersby
matches.
cider.
See if it matches. Oh, totally. That goes well with it, doesn't
It
it?
does. Considering that cider is very fruity.
Very nice. So it's cheese and cider time with Adam and Gavin. There you go. People in the last video were requesting wine and cheese time with Gavin and Amy.
Alright.
Yeah, but quite didn't happen.
Unfortunately, I will soon return to the other side of the world, so maybe a Skype date could be arranged. I don't think it would be the same.
We do a Skype cheese tasting. That'd be cool. This is fabulous. I could eat this all day. So it's smooth. It's got a hint of salt, which is good. The paste is, it's not crumbly. I reckon if I aged it for Probably another 6 months it'll be sharper and more crumbly, but the texture's all there. It looks really, really good. Cuts well. I can tell it's going to melt. Want a bit more?
Sure.
Help yourself. Well, that is really nice.
What's this white stuff on the outside? Condensed whey.
No, it's just salt build-up, so I actually had to wash it a little bit.
Oh, okay.
But
why did you decide to make a double Gloucester?
somebody on the channel actually asked me, "Can you make a double Gloucester?" So I said, "Why not? Of course I can.
Okay.
Can make anything. Whether it tastes like a double Gloucester or not, it's a different story."
Does
But
it?
yeah, this one certainly does. Now we've had some, and this is exactly right. See how yellow it is, though. It's really good. Well, I would say it's probably nearly orange when you look at it. Yeah.
I would agree.
I've got more.
Okay. It's going to be plumped with cheese. I'll wash that
So
down.
good.
Lovely way to spend an afternoon.
Isn't it? Oh. Could do this all year. Be great. First taste test of 2018.
What do you got next?
Well, the next few cheeses are coming up. We've got a feta taste test coming up, but I haven't shown you the feta video yet, so that'll be coming up soon. I can't remember the other cheese. The other cheeses are really long aging, so like the Pecorino Romano, 12 months, maybe 10, and a Parmesan, which is going to have to wait for 12 months. But I got a couple of surprises in the cheese cave. We'll do a cheese cave tour very, very soon, so that'll be interesting as well. I think Kim's going to have to photograph that while I'm sitting in front of the cheese cave in the little laundry, so that'd be very interesting.
Yeah, well.
Anyway, all cool. Had enough?
Oh, well, I'll definitely eat some more later, but for now, yes.
You can take some with you. All right.
You're right.
Oh yeah, I'm good now. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Don't forget to check out the recipe for Double Gloucester, and that you can also support the show via Patreon, like many others do. Don't forget to don't forget to subscribe to the channel, where you can. I'll start again.
Take two.
Take two.
Take a sip, mate.
Yeah. I've got too much cheese in my gob. You can check out the Double Gloucester video here in the middle somewhere. And don't forget that you can also support the channel via Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell icon to get notified when more cheesy content comes out. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and we'll see you next time.